Hello? Oh, I'm getting a little reverb on the music there. Can't have that. Hello, everyone who is here. Let's transition. Hey, what's up? Here we are again, back to not Genshin Impact for legal reasons. Oh, now I'm getting the reverb. There we go. Alright, back again, day 4. Back to work on Genshin Impact. Sorry. Microphone almost fell over. So, before we start, for those of you who did not see, the game I've been working on for the past year, Mariposa and the Galaxy Man, is now available to wishlist on Steam. So, that looks like something you're interested in. This will be the first game release that utilizes Omega Game Framework for first commercial game. So, I have the link is, I believe, right there in the description. If it looks like a type of thing, please go over, check it out, wishlist. That would be awesome. All right, now back to work on Genshin. Ichiro Red, sup guys? Welcome back. Let's see. So I pulled in a few more assets from that guy today. I think it's time to start making our world look kind of fun and interesting to actually explore. That. One way to do that, though. One thing is the elevation, I think, needs to be more varied in a lot of this. Especially on the side there. Alright. No. Flatten that way. Maybe down. Actually, probably what would be better is just to keep the elevation roughly the same there, but oops. Yeah, there we go. That's better. And for these trees too. Oh, they're not. Are they snapping? Now they're snapping. But ignore each other. Yeah, they're snapping on top of each other. We don't want that. Ignore self-collision. Perfect. And with these, ignore self-collision. Alright. Now let's get rid of this. Put a bridge in. Oops. Yeah, thank you. So the art for Mariposa and the Galaxy Man, overwhelmingly was done by Inkrose, who also came up with the story and is the creative director for the game. So I will give me 1 second. I'll pull up our Twitter for you. So I've been working on programming and like composition of the game look, but right here. Ingross, basically the game is overwhelmingly hers. She came up with the story. She did the majority of the art and animations and stuff like that, character designs, all that. So be sure to go and check her out. She'll also have be the first one to post updates and stuff on the game. All right. Let's see. So I got a few packs in here to try and make a bridge with, hopefully. Blueprints. No, that's a lava spline. Let's see. Would be better if I made a blueprint for this. So what I'm going to do instead, Pro Instance Tools, Path, that's what I want. Oops. not hierarchical. Instant static mesh. It should be better. A little bit better, hopefully. Get a wooden board because we're going to make a bridge. A very weak bridge, honestly, but oh well. I'm looking here. Maybe this one. This looks pretty good. And they're like almost the perfect distance too. So that does pretty thin though, ain't it? Ooh, look at that performance too. That's a dip. If I close those there, it should run better. A little bit. Ah, man, I'm getting a tiny performance hit. I might be on account of all the stuff that's running, just like outside of the game, but where can I set these to the side too? Maybe I'll double their scale. Nope, that's uniform scaling. Oh wait, I want that. I think because I want to set up rails too. If I can. Hang on, let me check some rails. This will actually probably be better. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a stone one. Ah, I can't layer it. Well, there's one limitation of this. I wonder if I can create a very small, pretty thin, yeah. Probably shouldn't spend too much time on this is the thing. So I'm trying to figure out how do I quickly put this together. What pieces do I have in the library here? That's a better one to use. If I could find a floor, that's a decent floor. These probably aren't going to oh yeah, they are. Well, $300 looks like it's the right size. Okay. Man, yeah. Wonder if I could layer these on top of each other. But what I will do, if I can find the railing again, is this big enough, you think? Huh. Let me double the size. And then no. I think that's a bit too big. Ooh, that's even bigger. Sup, Samuel? 400. 500. 500. 500 looks like it's the right size. Okay. All right. Probably not the ideal way to do this. I'd rather have it on one spline, but rushed for time at the moment. So stairs. Huh. How does this look? Ooh, that's a bit rough, ain't it? Yeah, it's okay. I can work with that. I can work with that, probably. Yeah, I actually got to finish the string list this time, unlike the with the game jam. But yeah, with that, like, just stuff came up and I wasn't able to stream, so I had to work quietly. But Now I am, hopefully. Provided there's not some last minute emergency or something, but there shouldn't be. Where is it? I need like a rim thing you'd put on the side there. Nyeh. What do they do for the inside? Or no, inside. Nothing. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, long term, I would rather just make this all just a single blueprint mesh that I could reuse over and over again, but we don't have long term. We have very short term. And what am I doing? Not playing some wonderful Falcon music. I like Tokyo Xanadu. That'll be a good one. Hang on. Gotta make sure I balance this correctly. Okay. That should be good. Just let me know if the music is a little too loud. Yeah, I definitely need a pillar for the corners. And there's plenty of those in this pack, so that should be fine. Hopefully I won't need to do any more bridges. Otherwise, I would probably take the time to do a blueprint. If I can find the pillar. Pillar. No. What would you call that then? A pillar, a railing end? What's that one in there? Let me just look for that. What's that boy? Fountain column. Okay. Column, I guess, would make sense. A bit small, ain't it, though? Actually, what would make more sense? Am I using prefabs? I'm not using I could use prefabricator because it's free, so I might actually do that. Because it's a pretty quick way to save time. Once this saves. Yeah, I meant to clear out the cache and see if that sped up the saving process. Hopefully this will also be fixed in Unreal 5 because it's got that one file per actor, so this is gonna be pretty insane if it takes this long every time to save stuff. Gosh dang. What am I running? What's taking this so long? Hang on, let me check. Oh, I wonder if it's. Oh, okay. I wonder if it kept the map like lighting data or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close the project, delete that, and then or maybe I don't even need to delete it. I don't know. Whatever. When this is eventually done, I'm gonna go in and remove the map build data or whatever, and hopefully that'll make it run faster, because then it doesn't need to redo the build lighting. It might have to rebuild stuff though, but oh whatever. It'll be faster long term. Oh, I saw something happen. Thanks. And Sup King jokes. Ooh. Oh my gosh. You know what this means? Peanuts. Actually, I'm going cashews today. Peanuts the other day. I want to balance out which I consume, so I have a nice even amount. Maybe should have gone for almonds. I don't know. Well, we're at 75%. Let me pull up the folder while I'm waiting. Oh, did I finish? There we go. Alright. See if I can delete the map data. Actually, I better open it up and see how big it is first, because I'm hoping it's big, because that means that's my problem. 400 megabytes. Yep, okay, that's gonna go. Are they? I don't know. Oh man, Ichiro, I don't know. I'm probably still planning on like at least 2 hours. If I might even end up going to 3. So, sorry. I mean, don't feel bad if you don't, if you miss anything. Like, obviously this will all be archived. Though I know you prefer to see it live, but don't worry about it. Yeah, but yeah, I'll probably go at least 2 hours, probably more. All right, let's open that back up. I've started to like almonds. I didn't used to. But I got a whole pack. I think for Christmas I got this big old pack of nuts. Everyone wants a sack of nuts, eh? Yeah, it's got peanuts, cashews, and almonds. And I was like, I guess I gotta eat the almonds. Like them, so. See ya, Ichiro. We're at 93% on loading, so. Juicy AI. Oh, man. Question is, how am I gonna... I haven't had AI, but what's it gonna be like? Because I don't have time to set up, frickin' behavior trees. And I probably don't even have time to, I don't know, about Logic Driver. Like, if Logic Driver AI. I don't know, but... I'll do that in a minute. Once I finish with this, I will, actually, alright, I should have, dang it! I should have, turned on Prefabricator, or added the plugin, and then closed out, because now I have to restart anyway. Ah, man, yeah. Yeah, that's, well, man. Whatever, I don't monetize my stuff anyway. When it comes to COVID, it does seem like everything about it varies so much from person to person. It's kind of crazy to think about. Like, the severity of it, not that there weren't some consistent things, obviously, but the severity of it, the after effects of, like, taste and stuff. Some people get their taste back quickly, some it takes forever. I think my mom... Was it my mom? It was someone I knew. Basically, they lost their sense of smell, and they didn't get it back for, like, almost a year? I don't know. It was a long time. But. So, if I save now, it should save building. Let's see how fast it saves. 53. You garbage. Guess that didn't speed it up. Alright, well, we'll try not to save for now. I'm wondering what might make this save faster. Hang on, let's Google it. Or DuckDuckGo it in my case, because I like DuckDuckGo better. Speed up UE4 level saving. UE4 levels taking long time to save. I am, you know what? Oh man, I'm probably going to have, after this stream, move the project files to my native SSD just to see if that speeds stuff up. Yeah, I mean, I know people who have dead stuff taste distantly. Like, in my case, I basically had, like, was kind of coughing for a few weeks, and that was up until I found out that I had it. Then after I realized I had it, I basically, it was not, like, super severe, but just for safety, I ended up going to the hospital. They kept me there for, like, a day or two, and then they're like, they treated me, and then they're like, oh, you're fine, you can go home, and I was fine. So, like, it's very different, obviously, so... kind of crazy. But Also, what are your PC specs? So this one, I don't know all the specific details. This, I believe this one has like 8 gigs of something in terms of RAM, and the GPU is a 1060. Then I have a laptop, which is a higher end. I believe that's got 12 gigs of RAM and a... Hang on. Let me check and see if it says. Alright, it doesn't say the specific graphics card, but I think it's like a 3060, 3070 Ti. So that laptop's much better, but I don't edit on that because it takes... It's harder to set up. I also like editing on this lower end thing, so I can make sure the performance will be good on some lower end stuff. All right. All right. First of all, where am I? Here. I'm gonna make a new prefabs building, or prefabs folder. Prefabricator. If you guys don't have this, it's really cool, and it's totally free. It just clumps a bunch of assets into a prefab. It's nice. All right, so create prefab, stone bridge, and if you make any edits to the main or any of the prefabs, it automatically updates everything else. Really cool. It's like a quicker way to do like an actor that doesn't have any, that you're not gonna have any blueprint logic for. Super useful. Yeah, that's true. No, I mean, no, I have not tested with... I've not tested it with this project with OBS running, but that could be affecting it. I'm not going to worry too much about it right now. It is frustrating. What might be better is if I put some stuff on in sub-levels, actually. In fact, I'm going to do that. I'm not going to use world composition, even though that would probably make sense. Actually, let me check these. I wonder if it's these. This stuff. Hang on. Thing is, I've not used world composition much, so I don't want to try to learn it now as I'm working on this. So that's some pillars at the bottom, or columns to the bridge. Bottom, just make it look more bridge-like. Hey, look! All the foliage is gone. I'm sure when I play it'll go right back, though, because that's typically what happens. Why is this? There we go. Yeah, there we go. What on earth? Oh, my controller. There we go. Looks like I need some more at the end here. Oh, and the columns are popping up. That ain't epic. Yeah. Showing off some other stuff. Prefabricator, what's cool about it is if I say... No, grab that. Actually, this is already in the prefab, right? So I'm probably just gonna find it. There we go. If I duplicate that, it should stay in the prefab, right? And then... move it over. I believe these two are in there. Yeah, they're in there. So now I just need to update it. Say prefab asset. And it should apply to the other side as well. Boom! There we go. Epic. That's a long bridge, though. I'm gonna run across to see how long it takes. Because if it takes a while. I should probably add in those like waypoints, the fast travel points. Oh no. That's too big to walk up. I should add some height. I should edit this and add like auto materials based on height. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now. Auto's not working very well. What is this? Just dirt layer. And what's this one? These are simple, but they could be named better. Okay, this is the one I want. I think this is the one I want. Okay. Yeah. That's the height layer. Height layer. What? Whatever. Lerp. So I want is a contrast and a because I want to be able to offset and set the edge amount. Edge offset. And then edge sharpness. Let's see. Should be vertex normal. I just need to get the blue from it. Because the blue will be the top. And that'll be that one. Oops. What the frick? Should I dump? Maybe I should put this in the auto layer instead. Why can't... Is this... What is this? It's material attributes? Frickin' heck. I thought I could blend material attributes. Can I not? It's gonna make this difficult. Blend. Oh, right. I can. So basically I want to blend between these two. I think that'll work. Let's see how it looks here. Yeah, that thinks that's what I want. Yeah, if I was doing had the full time, I wouldn't even use this material. I'd just make my own from scratch, but I don't have time. I might also change the Oh, but I also need to take off grass. So let's do that. Linear interpolate. It's going to use the same value. There, now the grass should blend nicely too. There. Let's get the edge offset. First of all, sharpness. Now offset. Yeah, like that. Point 0.3. I think that's good. Okay. Maybe I want to change the scaling though. Can I change the scaling? The tiling? Nope. Man, this is not very extensive. Oh no, wait. Scale UV. Nope. We'll try... That's at 4. Okay, we'll try 10. 10's a little bit much. 8. Scale... Six. Not for this. I haven't had a like time to really dig into runtime virtual texturing. I know it has better looking results. We tried it on Mariposa and the Galaxy Man, but it just hit performance too much, and wasn't quite getting us the like the results that I got from it, at least from the blending, which is the main thing I was looking to use it for. Didn't look convincing enough to where I felt I could justify the performance cost. So now it's saving everything again. Ugh. I'm gonna put some of this stuff into a sub level. but I'm not sure what I need to. What? I guess as long as I only edit one level, it'll be fine. Maybe if I took more time, runtime virtual texture, yeah, would be better. This is ridiculous. I may just have to work on something else today. Because this is... Sorry, you guys can't see. It's loading on the screen over here. It's at 26%. I'll check the chat while I'm waiting. I'm guessing the issue is probably the town here. So what I'm gonna do, I say I'm guessing that. I think it is. I'm gonna make a. I'm gonna change this to some sub levels. All right, all right. Sub 1. Let's go from the top, perspective tap. It'll always be loaded in, but this will mainly just be for just so I don't need to save it separately. No. There we go. No. Did that erase everything? It did. You frick. You know, actually, let's hide the landscape and water, because I think that'll make it easier to select. Water. Or is it just... Did I not name it right? Oh, it's just plain. Oh, I should probably order the sky, too. I think. Because I just realized I don't know what some of this stuff is doing. Oh, do I have a sky sphere and a skylight? That could be... That could also be perfection performance. That's a lot of rectangle likes. Do I need that many? One thing I'm going to do. Grab all these. I don't think I need all these. That should help performance a bit too. What was I doing again? Grabbing this crap, yeah. Alright. Level, move selection to current level, I believe. That's what I want. See, that might take a minute. A very hot minute. Or not. Did it done? Did it done? Shoot! Thank goodness that was just water. Spilled some water there. Give me a minute, guys. Alright, I think I got it. He's got most of it. Nothing got damaged, so that's good. Alright, so... let's see what got pulled in with it. Perspective. Oops. Eek. Sky. Plane. Missile. There we go. That's a quick way to set everything on and off. Now, what was lost? All those. That's not okay. It's fine. No, it's not. That's actually not fine. All right. I want all those in here. All those instance cliffs. All three of them. Put those back in the persistent level. And I'll save and see what happens. It's going to save both of them, so it'll take a little bit of time. But hopefully now, afterwards, it won't take as long. 26. This is dumb. Alright. I also have to try to work without editing much. Oh, I also need to make sure that loads up immediately. A combination of world partition in Unreal 5 and data layers will definitely make this whole process a lot easier. Cashew. I'm surprised it hasn't recreated the map build asset. Let's get some Genshin pictures up while we're waiting for this. Get in the mood. This is we're trying to recreate Mondstadt. Let's see what it looks like. Oops. That's what we gotta try to go for. Should be easy. I can just take some of that tree spline, just populate trees around it, and then let's see in the back. Alright, shouldn't be too hard. Okay. Yeah. No, please don't. I just have to save a shader. Don't save everything again. Yes. Ah, for goodness sake. Welcome to game development, guys. Oh, sweet. That was quick. Sculpting. Flatten. I know there's a dock on the other side, but I'm not going to bother making that. Alright. Okay, where's that tree spline? I don't actually want to open the blueprint editor, I just want to find out where it is. Oh, that's why. Because I opened the... Okay. Did I not save like a path for trees? There we go. Path scatter trees. That's what I want. I opened the wrong one. What would be really cool is if Unreal 5 had some easy way to like pin reference images to your screen. That would be great. Maybe it does and I just don't know about it, but like I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Let's say 20. I think the water honestly is too high. That's probably one of the reasons it looks a little weird. Or it looks a little off. No. I want to go to the world outliner. There we go. Now we just oops, flatten a little bit lower so we can get some of that the beach side whatever. What the heck? No, flatten! Why is it sculpting? Ain't what I want, boy. Ain't what I'm looking for. Alright. Now them old rocks. Those can be smaller. That's actually a good... One's a good size, but we want a little bit of variety. So maybe 7. And it's a little too much variety in the top distance. Oop. Yeah, 1.1. Not that we need much of this, but... Might be useful to put a material layer on this rock thing to, let me think what I was going to say. To essentially make it sure the top of it is using grass as well. But that'll take a little bit to set up, so I probably won't do it. There. Not amazing, but it'll do. Drop this on the back. 1.2. Trees on the other side. Them trees. Yep. Put them up. Put them up. Yeah, this sort of set decorating used to used to not be a fan of it because it took so long and it's like, but I realized randomization, and like a combination of randomization and modularity is actually like your best friend. Oh, this tree's inside, yeah, because they can really make stuff look better than you could manually, and do it a lot faster. I should be seeding these though, so they're a little different. Sweet. And I think it's some rocks on this side. You know what would be good over here though is a river. That's what we're gonna make. Does mean I have to change up how some of these rocks are laid out, but that's fine. Whew. Randomize seed. All right. Probably should use some bigger rocks. Nah, actually no. No. We're good. Oops. Oh my goodness. Look at all that. What is that foliage doing there? It should get pulled out. That is weird. I didn't add a layer to this, did I? I don't think I did. That's odd. That should anyway should get spawned out. All right. That's too far in though. Gotta pull it. No. Pull each one in more. So we don't want giant clumps of rock just hanging out by the side. That looks unprofessional. Boom. There we go. That looks better. Now what do we want to do? We need to give us some places to go, and I know I have a ruined village pack, so I think I'm gonna try that. Man, is it gonna increase run times and stuff? But who cares? I just saved the map, didn't I? I was not gonna do that. Well, I guess now's a good time. It doesn't seem to be going any faster, does it? Okay, well. Ruined village, that's what I want. Let's try duplicating the map, that'll take a second. Turn those off for a minute. Off, I said. Drop this boy in. Because I want to use this, but move it around somewhere else. Oh wow, that's actually nice. I almost like the lighting on this better. Almost. Wow. Problem is I'm gonna have two landscapes now, but that's probably all right. Probably. What is all this? Is that more fog? What happened? Fog. Oh, there's something else going on here. Is it a post-processing? Everything is just like, yeah. It's like a built-in fog. Landscape gizmo. There we go. That's right. That's what I want. Now. Where do we want to put our ruined village? That is quite massive. I'm gonna toss on what's it called? Unlit. See if that helps me move it faster. Much purple fog. Yeah, not anymore. Is that a reflection plane? That's gonna make things expensive. Water. Nah. No. What's this thing? You see this like reflection plane right there. No. We can use my own water, thank you very much. And that's actually a lot more landscape than we need too. So let's cut it down. Manage, that's what we want. Delete, that's what we want too. Because we're gonna hide it with water anyway. Ain't we? There. That actually is a better size. There's something circular that I've selected. I don't know what. Oh yeah, if I'm putting the river this way, I probably should put the village over there too, just so it nicely blends in. Oh. I'll need to move those rocks then too. Alright, but here's good, I'd say. We have our water for like marking where our height needs to be, so that's pretty useful. That's good. It's like right on the edge. All right. Oh boy, what I'm gonna do, oh, actually, that's a lot to duplicate. Might be better if I just, delete. Or what I could do, actually, just expand this. Oh, no, not that way, then back around. Max iterations, you piece of crap. I want more iterations. Max instances 700. There we go. Although this does seem like it's pushed in pretty close, doesn't it? Alright. Same thing with you, sir. You, I'm afraid, are... Wait, is there no close spline? Oh, it's over there. I'm afraid you got to go. What I might do, actually, though, we get sort of like a cave. Huh. Let's carve out what we need first. Wrong boy. That boy. That's the boy we want. Oops, we can go back to lit mode. Look at those trees that I don't need just hang out up there. This looks like a better path. I like that better. So what I'll do actually, just faster. I'll drop the rocks under the landscape. That seems to make a lot more sense to me. Oh, roads too. I keep forgetting you can do roads in landscapes too. I do need a main. Oops. Or splines, they're called. Drawn virtual. No. We want layers. Splines. Great. And reserve for splines. There we go. There we go. Can I break the connection? Nah. Nope, I do want to do that. I don't want this, the problem. Probably should spend more time on actual programming, huh? That's assigned to switch. Where is it? Sorry, I'm switching music. If I can find it. There we go. That does look weird, a bit odd, doesn't it? Alright, well. That's good. 3,000 will be fine. No, 3,000, not 300. Gosh dang. I'm not trying to blow up our computer here. Oops. Look how easy this is. Frick. And I can even pull out right there to make it even better. Again, I need to keep remembering to seed these so they're not just copy-paste exactly, even though they kind of are already copy-paste. But make it look less obvious, at least, that they are copied and pasted. Okay, these trees, how big is this? That can probably get yeeted. Just gonna cause me trouble. Oh, wow, I did not realize how tall that had gotten. Back to splines. We don't want that thing going too crazy. Alright. Paint? Yeah, let's paint some stuff. I think it's the right landscape, right? Wait a minute. Why can't I paint? Oh, I'm on the wrong layer. Gotcha. Alright, let's grab that other material too. Because I want to make that other landscape use this material that I modified instead of, you know, the one it's currently using. Even though that's not a bad one. But we need consistency, don't we? Oh, sweet! And it just automatically updated it looks like. With the appropriate stuff. Epic! A few things might need to be fixed, but for the most part, nice. Now, Genshin has those, like, waypoints, right? The stuff you can fast travel back and forth with. That's kind of something I want in here. Let's flatten this out, though, so we can, like, make this... I don't know, this could be, like, an outpost or something, like a waypoint. Or, just... Oops, something where you might find people hanging out. There we go. Alright. I don't think we have any prefabs for a lot of this stuff. Flags. We got flags. We got just some stuff we don't need to set up right now. Oh, what would be good, though? Maybe there's like a gate. It's like a guarded entrance. Hey, what's up, Devin? I am making Genshin Impact. I am attempting to remake I guess it's obvious, but Genshin Impact in 7 days. And right now I'm just working on quickly trying to work on some environments in order to just make stuff look relatively pretty before I start dropping in things to do. Which, it's village, meshes, building, that's what I want. I need like a gate, fortress arch, there we go. And, whoop, 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 whoop. There we go. Little much. I agree. All right. I'm gonna look at. I want to see how it looks like without the post processing that it's got going on. It's got this weird toony outline thing, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. Maybe just let me check out post-processing materials. What if I get rid of this one? There, that's better. That just gets rid of that outline, but keeps the nice coloring. All right. Well, a game that is legally distinct from Genshin Impact. Actually, no, legally it's not very distinct, but. Let me put this. A game that is educationally... A game that I'm making for educational purposes and parody purposes. Thus, completely legal. Also that I have no intention on releasing for money, so... Triple protection. But I'm also alongside this, trying to build and I'm actually not spending nearly enough time on this, but build a sort of open world adventure RPG framework. In this that I can then clean up afterwards and release on the Unreal Marketplace, which I better get working on now. Yeah, the map is going to be difficult. What I will probably do... Because I can't have a... I'm trying to think of how I want to handle the map. I mean, that's fun to do, for sure, but... not for commercial stuff. I made the mistake of saving. Again. That's fine. Oh, my back. Alright, once this is done, we're going back to the old map, so I can actually program some stuff. I think it's time we work more on combat. Gosh dang. Yeah, I'm gonna stop using this map once I'm done here. I probably won't work on this map anymore today until I'm gonna, after the stream, I'll pull it off onto my native hard drive and see if that's faster. I should probably prefab some of these houses too, just so I can reuse them. Alright, map's loaded. Back to the testing map. Bad guys. Alright, let's make these guys look nicer. Go into our enemies pack. I pulled in some stylized enemies, I believe. Stylized newbie weapons. Come on. Where is it? Pool dives. What on earth? What is this? Oh, these are animations. Okay. Leave a village, magic circle, pastries, slash... What the heck? I could have sworn I put in some, hang on. I'm gonna drop some fantasy enemies back in here, because I thought I put them in, but... Stylized fantasy enemy. There we go. Don't you dare say it's already in there, because that's going to make me mad. Okay, it looks like it's not. Good. So, enemy... I got Logic Driver installed, right? So, I need to work on it. AI. Logic Driver is installed? Alright. Enemy AI. Blueprints... AI. This will be just for enemies. State machine. No. It'd be SM instance, right? SM instance. Enemy AI base. States. Wait. Ich. state class, right? Enemy state. Create one. Natural one. We want one called Wander, which will just be them kind of wandering around. Oh wait. Let me think. Okay. Well, yeah. Let's add in some dispatches too. Complete. Cancel. Alright, so... we need to initialize because we want to get the location they start at and then have them wander around that one. And I want to put these all in here so I can actually edit quicker. Origin point. AI time. Wait. What I should probably do is also set an actor that spawns in enemies rather than or I should get this. Get context. Yeah, I need to make sure the context is an enemy. Or pawn. Yeah, pawn. Enemy state. Get context pawn. Cast to pawn. Basically, I should make a spawner that spawns in enemies when the player gets close enough to it, and has like a cooldown on it after you kill them. But yeah, because that way also I won't have tons of enemies spawning in constantly all over the map. I'm not even saving the map. Oh wait, no, I'm saving the test map. I don't know why that helps. I don't know why that was taking so long. Alright, get spawn, get actor location. We save the origin location. Oh yeah, also got to make sure that these guys are controlled by an AI controller whenever they're immediately on being placed in the world or spawned. Also, AI class. AI mission. Enemy AI base. There we go. Death. Create instance self and then oops plus to enemy AI AI machine, that's what we'll call it, and grab it and start. Kaboom. Okay, alright, let's see, back to this. AI move to... No, this is the pawn. Yeah, let's try that again. Contact is obvious. Well, this is not exposed. It's private. Get random reachable point and radius. That we want to be instance editable. We'll start with 1000. Simple enough. Oh, not cancel. Complete. Actually, we'll rename these to success and fail. Success. I'm actually gonna skip this because I don't know if this track has copyright stuff on it. I don't think it does, but. All fail. Success. So how about dinner to celebrate our success? Pulled in some icons from Kenny. Good old Kenny. So these should be good for identifying different things. Hopefully there's one that's good for movement. Oh, actually, that's good. That's like a wander, go anywhere sort of thing. Wouldn't you say? Enemy state, AI, wander. Yeah, something's definitely wrong with where this is saved. Or how this is saved. I don't know. But it needs to be redone because it's ridiculous. Alright, states. Classes. Create AI grunt. Grunt will be like the default class. We'll start with a wander. We should have a weight. Actually, a weight could just be a general state too. States. No. SM. State. States. Miscellaneous. State machine. State. Weight. If I want to do I'll probably do a delay, just so I can pause if I need to. Wait time. Success. Or not success. Finish. Clock. Yeah, come on. Timer. Time is of the essence. Clock. It's gotta have a clock in here, right? Or something to signify waiting. Something like that. That's kind of clock-like. Alright, I'll just use this. Kind of gets the idea across. What'd you say? Ooh, boy. Alright, so what we're going to do is we want to wander, then... wait. Make sure it's spelled right. Wait. Wait. Random floating range. Anywhere from 1.5 seconds to 2.5 seconds. And then when I'm done rating... Oh, let's actually collapse this to another state machine. Because what I want to do is make this the passive state. And then we're going to change to a combat state when the player's nearby. So this will be on... oh, I should also make yeah, on the wander. Finish. And then the finish will play... better idea. Enemy state. Set finish. Success. Oh, actually. I can optimize it even more. I think. Success. Finish. Well, finish. That's a success. And that's a fail. Boom. Sup, Doom? I'm probably just benching Simpact, what I've been calling it. Because, again, this is just going to be... This is for 7 days, then I'll probably... depending on the state it's in, I'll release it for free when I'm done. But yeah, I'll probably just benching Simpact, because then it's parody. See? That's how you get... And actually, I'm joking, but yeah, actually, in America, that would fall under parody. And again, that's... I might release it. I'm not saying for certain I will. Previous state, finished, and when it finishes it all, wait. Finished. There. Now, let's make these enemies use the grunt AI. And last thing I think is to add a nav mesh bounds volume. Nav mesh. Nav mesh. There we go. Now, there they go, wandering around. They move a little fast. I should probably set one that changes their or modifies their walk speed. Enemy state. Change speed. New speed. Get speed. Get walk. Get move component. I think it's walk. Walk. No, alright, it's got to be a character. Walk. Speed. Yeah. Get move component. There we go. Probably should just made this a character by default, or the master character, but whatever. Default speed, that'll be private. Set max walk. Let's even macro this. Change speed. There we go. New speed 1000. Nah, man, that's too big. Jump into enemy grunt AI. Passive state. We'll make this a parallel entry so that. Where is it? It's still called wander. That's the problem. Set speed. It's starting to get a little cold in the room here. Or 200. 200 maybe. There they go. There they move weirdly slow. I think I know what's going on here. Base machine. Grounded. Moving. This is the one I want. Yeah, I basically need to duplicate all this stuff. Ah, whatever. We'll just do front and back for now. There we go. Now, how do I want them to handle... Well, first I actually want to get in some other animations. Stylized enemies, here we go. This is what I wanted. Blueprints. Blueprints of everybody. No. Rock on. I don't like. I understand why Marketplace they do this, but I don't really like how the Marketplace forced you to break all this stuff up. Because if you want to package stuff in a more context-related way, like with it makes more sense, logic, like contextually, you can't do that. Enemy, skeleton, warrior. Size enemy. I don't have two open right now. Good, good. Meshes, skeleton way, that's what I want. I just put the wrong thing in the wrong spot. There we go. So I'm gonna make an animation blueprint for this guy. Good old skeleton boy. Create anim blueprint. Skeleton warrior. Ain't quite the Hurley Churls, but it's what we got. And since he'll pretty much almost always move... no, I was going to say he'll always move at the same speed, so let's use one animation for moving. Let's actually not do that. Yeah. Yeah, a little spookier than the Hilly Churls in Genshin, but it's what we got to work with, so... let's get a macro. Is moving... So we need default slot. Let's just. I'm being cheap right now, understandably. So this is what I'm gonna do. So if he's moving, we're gonna use a single Oi, oi. Alright. It doesn't like that, so... now, just if he's moving... oh boy. Drop that in. There we go. I think... that's gonna be the one we want to use then. Get these boys out of here. Widget should have... is there a culling on the widget? There should be, right? A draw distance? There isn't a draw distance. That's not great. Maybe on the enemy there is? I just don't want the widget showing up the whole time. The easiest thing is just constantly check for the player's location, but I don't really want to do that. Though that's going to be actually faster right now. Okay, fine. That's what we're going to do. Custom. Check widget. What? Let me tell you, Epic. You can put what you want in your streams, but I will thank you not to tell me to check my privilege in the editor. All right? Oh my gosh. I know that's not what it means, but it's just funny. Check privilege. All right. I'm kidding. Anyway. Privilege. Check widget. Do once delay. That's what I want. Check our privilege every 1/10 of a second. Ah! Alright, I'll stop. You know what? No. Hang on. Sorry, I just want to do one thing. Then I promise I'm done with this bit. Alright, I'm done. I'm done. Anyway. Okay, back to work for real. To be fair, I spent less time on that than I did, like, pointless scattering trees and stuff, so. Check widget. Alright. Yeah. Do once switch. So for real, that's a good question. Hang on. Check. It said Magic Leap. So it looks like it's Magic Leap is, I believe, is it a VR thing? I guess I'll check while I'm here. Why not? No, okay, so Magic Leap is what is this? Yeah, it looks like some sort of VR or AR thing. So it's probably some complicated low-level thing for handling what you can and cannot see in using Magic Leap goggles or something. I believe Magic Leap is turned on Unreal automatically, that plugin, so. Anyway. Get player. Forget. Get camera manager. That's actually better. Get location. Distance. Get door location. So if the distance is less than, let's say, 25,000. Well, combat right now, I'll actually show you, in case you haven't seen, I'll show you what I have right now. So for basic gameplay, we got stamina, sprinting, we can climb stuff, a little rough. We have gliding. Not the perfect best gliding, but it does work. And we go up. Yeah. And then, what do we have? We have attacking. We can pick up items. We got a basic menu that has like almost nothing working, but ugh. Oh, I should add some effects for getting hit and stuff. And then we have, attacking. We can damage and kill enemies. Not that anything really happens when we do, but we at least can do it. I probably would have a lot more done if I was working constantly outside of stream time, but I only work a little bit outside of stream time. Anyway, I can get rid of that. And that. And that. What was I working on? Right, widget. Set hidden game. There. So now, if I run away from them, there we go. Boom. That was easy. I did make them wander from the origin point, right? Not from, Yeah, good. Alright. Now I need to make enemies able to attack me. That should actually be, hopefully not too difficult. What we're gonna do is this. No, montages. montage. What am I doing? I just need one. Well, for one for now. Actually, we'll make a list just so we can like randomly select through them. Attack a montage. Yeah, actually we can do that in. Did I? I'm trying to remember if I set up No, actually, we want to make sure. Yeah, okay. So we don't want to hard code any of the enemy's actual actions into like abilities into the logic driver because I want to use them outside of logic driver. So let's make an enemy ability for attacking. Gameplay framework. Actors, enemy. Abilities. What would be good is if I make a, I'm actually gonna make, do I have a character? Sorry, I'm trying to think. I want to make a montage, okay. Or, I want to make an interface. Actor interface. BI RPG character interface. Because I'm going to get animations from different characters the same way. Get character montage. What we'll do is gameplay tag. And then grab a montage out from that. I started at 1, man. I'm about to hit 2 hours. Maybe I'll end up going for longer. Whew. Alright, so... I probably can't use the same ability as the player for attacking. And I really should spend more time on just the core mechanics, just so I have those ready to go for release. Alright, enemy abilities. Enemy attack. Ability. AB. Enemy attack. Sorry. AB. Enemy attack. There we go. Press to actor. Cancel if it's not valid actor, but it should be because we want their context is going to be the target they're trying to attack. I do already had an attack montage. Ah! Alright, well, whatever. We'll use both. No, that's from the anim instance. Right. Right. That's right. I want the anim instance to be what drives the anim up. Okay, I remember. Get mesh. That actually makes more sense. I'm glad I thought of that, and even though future me forgot. Anim instance. Get attack montage. Play montage. Get mesh. Interrupted. Can't cancel. I can handle damage a little bit later. I just want to make sure they can actually attack first. Alright, enemy warrior. Okay. No. Animation. No! No, totally wrong. And nah, I keep doing the wrong one. Character. Is it just anim instance? Yeah, character anim instance. Alright, get montage. Attack montage. If I keep everything contained in one spot, I tend to like that better. Alright, I should give him a sword too. Just so it looks nicer. Oh, sweet. They even have swords. And R. Stop real time. Not real time reset camera. I mean, yes, real time is what I wanted. Reset camera is what I did not. Just because we're going to put this precise. Or even like that. And back to real time. Boom. He looks menacing. Now I just need to give him an animation. Skeleton warrior. Motion. So we have two different attacks. Create Animonta skeleton warrior attack. That's what we want. And drop that bad boy right there. Now. Move to target. And means a new state. Target. Better icon would be one that's like directly, you know, there. Move. Move to target. Grunt. So. Combat state. Prepare. Prepare. Actually, we'll keep it simple. Wait. A sixth of a second. Then for now, we just want to move to target. Finished. Get player pawn. On fail, we want to wait again. Finish. Ability, that's right, we need an AI usability. So, simple enough. Usability. Component. Combatant. No, combatant. Valid. Ish. All right. Well, actually, what we should try to do is try to cache it, right? Save it. Combatant ref. This way you always have it on hand. I'm getting cold. I'm turning a heater on. It's quite cold out these days. Alright. Activate ability. Ability class. And context. Those are the two we need. Assign. No, actually. No, wrong one. Wrong one. One assign from here. Assign. Ability finish. Not cancel. That should be pretty easy. If there's got a sword or something, that would make this pretty good. Ain't got no sword. I need a sword. I will just use this. Come on, come on, come on, come on! Faster! There you go. Move to target. Usability. Attack target. Better only do if it's successful, though. Enemy attack, and this will get player pawn. Look at look. Actually, look at target. That's right. Now, let's make it so when they see me, as soon as they see the player, look. I think it's look. Player. No. It would be. Oh, look. Ah, my brain. Pawn sensing. Nope, wrong music. We got one more album of Xanadu to get through. And then I think it'll be wrap-up time. Once we're through that one. Pawn sensing, perfect. First of all, enemy sees player. There we go. Pawn sensing. We want to. Let's see. Once the player enters this. Cast. Player. Default player. There you go. Set C's player. Oh boy. Alright. As soon as that we enter, then they see us, which means alright. I can actually simulate this, that's right, because this is previewing, but alright. Pull this off, let's try it out. Enemy grunt. I just wanna oh, he saw me. So he's coming for me. I need to change their acceptance radius on the move, though, because it's way too close. We'll do 100. Okay, it's reaching attack target, but yeah, it's hard to. I'm trying to think of a better way to show you guys. It's getting here, but it's like immediately canceling. And it won't do that. So I can't. It's hard to show. So like he's seeing me. If I run past them, they'll see me. He's coming for me. Run away. But like once he hits me. Keeps trying to attack me, but nothing happens. So I'm wondering why. Oh, because he doesn't have that ability. That's why. That's probably why, anyway. Let's go. Let's try again. Yeah, there we go. Simple enough. Now, just have to make sure that when he does that, I actually take damage. Hello, Electro Kraken. Working on enemy AI. All right. What I'll probably do is let's make a box sphere collision right now. For 70. Basically, I want this for now to be just how the enemy is. Switch. This would definitely long term. This is not how you would do this, but this is a quick way of setting up an enemy attack. Impact, and I better add the actual animation to the montage. Hang on. So right about there. That's when he checks to see if he can hit me. Add notify, montage notify. Impact. With overlapping actors. Player. Default. Do once per object. And reset attack. And then when the ability finishes, we reset our attack. So he can attack and do damage again. So cast to default player. That's all we can hit. Whew. Apply damage. Apply attribute damage to our health. And we will do 20 damage per hit. I'll also add a slight delay after they reach me. Hang on. Not the base. The grunt. Wait to attack. So there's a slight delay between when he reaches me and when he actually attacks. Just so they're not, like, all attacking me at the same time. Finished. Alright. I'll randomize these as well. No. Actually, that random float is between 1 and, right. Yeah, it's up to 1 second, so that's fine. floating range will be between 3 to 5 seconds. Actually, no. I want 2 to 5. Woo, that's a big old longbow one. There's the enemy attack mode. There. Now when he sees me, he should run at me. After a second, try to attack. Ah, got me. And that's all, I guess? Oh, there he's going again. I see. Ah, I see. This is taking too long. 5 seconds? Why did I do that? How about 0.5 to 1.5? That actually is much better. Did I put it at wait point? I think I said wait 0.6 seconds. Maybe I did. I don't know. Come for me. Come on, see what you got. Eh. That is a slow attack. F3, F2, F2. Okay, and when I hit 0... Oh! I just noticed something, too. My stats are backwards. See? At the bottom there? That one that's going down is supposed to be my maximum, so I need to flip those. But I also want to make a thing that happens when I die. Alright, player, pawn, get component, by class. Actually, better yet, tag. As tag, dead. Yeah. So it'll cancel out once I'm dead. And that's actually pretty easy to do. All I need to do is, do I have death animations? I need to remember if I imported any death animations. If not, I have some I can import. Okay, I don't. Let's do that. Add to Genshin Simpact. Problem is, there ain't going at this rate. There's gonna be no one to sim for because I'm not gonna get any waifus in. At least portraits are easy to make with like waifu webs. Yeah, I almost fell over there. Step back too quickly. Should probably sit down too. I'm getting a little tired. Yeah, I'm at 2 hour mark, 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna move my desk down. Adjustable desk, man. If you're doing like computer stuff or wanting to do it as a business, get yourself an adjustable desk. It is very much worth the investment, especially if you're going to be working for hours at an end. Which I do. I'm also not wearing my blue light glasses, which I probably should be. All right. What am I looking for? I had something up. Death animations, okay. Doodaloo, 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 doodaloo. No. Retarget. Hopefully these can immediately retarget. Yes, okay, good. Adventure RPG. That's the one I want. And just change the location to... Game framework. Act, character. Mannequin, anim, death. I probably don't need this many though. Retarget. Okay. Save all. That's a good one, actually. That bar right there. That was the... I mean, so the plan was export those, combine them into one mesh so that'd be easier, and then bring them back in. Doesn't look like I'm going to finish that in time, so yeah, I will probably just end up using the anime. In fact, once I get this death in, I'll go ahead and do that. I'll go and switch to the anime character pack. Wish I had some better body meshes to use. I'll have to at some point get making those. Hang on. Animal death. What's gonna do? I guess just human death. Oh, it's gotta be a root motion too. Otherwise, I'll keep bouncing around. Oh yeah, and also make it so when I'm on the ground, I want to loop. I want to stay in this position. Because after that, I'm gonna... For now, I'll probably just game over. I need a game over, don't I? Alright, Oh, I should also add keys to the player controller for speeding up and slowing down time. Just so I can, yeah, do stuff faster. Alright, well, where was I? Player. I need to go into the player character so that when I'm at 0 health, I drop dead. Alright. Combatant. Damaged. Yeah, I really like the facial expressions on the head. One of the things I'm most happy with. But let's see. Final damage. Actually, nah, safer. Get attribute value of health, and if it is less than or equal to 0, then some death. Oops. Do once. Once. This should probably be a game system or an ability. I don't know. Maybe it should, but yeah. Maybe not. Oh, whatever. Get only player controller. Set input mode. None, and then play montage. Get mesh. All right. Oh, we also gotta add that tag. Add tag. Because we don't want the guy to keep attacking us after we dead. Eh? Eh, what? Attack. Okay, now let's... Oh, one more thing. I want to add those keys so I can speed up and slow down time. Easy. Control 1. Control 2. Time dilation. There. Is it working? No. 2. There we go. Let's speed up. Oh. Back to 1 whenever I'm done with them. Move this back onto the screen too so we can see it clearer. Also should add it whenever they take damage, they see me. But, hey. There we go. Eh. What the heck? Hey, I'm at 0 health. I'm at 0 health. What the heck? Oh, because I didn't tell myself to die. But of course. Usually you have to tell yourself to die at 0 health. Everyone knows that. Oh, boy, they're both attacking me. Hey. What is happening? Why are they stuck? Why is they stuck? Oh, they're jumping back and forth. Alright, alright. I know what the problem is. If C's player and... Actually, better to make that a function in the parent. Did it just crash? I think it might have. The dog is barking. Alright. Let's give this just a minute. While I wait for that, I'm gonna go check on something. Give me a minute. Ah! Alright. Wrong one. I have returned. I mean, I could put that thing over. Hang on. 1 second. Okay, guys, we're back with... Wait, hang on. We're back with Genshin Impact. We're going to make some more progress today. Nah, I'm not doing that. Not at this point. Alright, did it? It worked, sweet. Is... Well, I hear dead. Yeah, long term, you definitely wouldn't want to just check for the player. You want to check for whichever person they're targeting. But at this rate, it's fine. So, this player dead. And if he sees player and he's not dead. There, that should do it better. Hey guys, what's up? Hey, I said get back here. Oh yeah, I need to make them notice me when I hit them too. There. Now back to your business. Perfect. You know what you're doing? Making action RPGs is actually not hard. Making good ones, it's a little harder, but just making one to prototype and test out, not too bad. Okay, base enemy player. Based enemy. 0.5, then fades. Do a quick fade screen. Oh, this one. Fade out over the course of maybe 1 second, and when we're done, get level name, and we're gonna reopen the level. This is a quick way of handling death and respawn. Obviously, not at all how you would handle it in a proper Genshin remake, but for now, at least we have something working. I say for now, we're on day 4. After this, I only have 3 days left to do this thing. But that's kind of how it has to be. Come get me. Why aren't you fading? Oh, because it's looping. Or yeah, Yeah. So, instead, let's do something else. And I really don't want to stop after this, even though I've got enemies in. I think I want to make waypoints at least, like fast travel points. And then I'll probably be done. Actually, what I need to do is make sure that when they hit me, when they get hit, they see me. Okay, so. Okay, respawn? Yeah, although I need to also have it hold when I'm done. Should fade also hold when finished. Okay. Now, this thing undamaged. Instigator pass. No, instigator equals player pawn, which it should, right? I set up player attack to make me the instigator, I believe. Let's double check. Nope. Get character. Get ability on our character. Whew. Sets C. All right, because I need to get it from here. Now, if I run up and whack them in the face, then they should see me. Better though. When that happens, I should have them look at me just so I know that they've been triggered into that state. Yeah, I grunt. Pawn. No. Get contacts. Fine. Yes. To character. Oh, I said I was going to do the anime characters next, right? So I need to do that after I finish here. I just said do actor, but whatever. Look at target. Get pawn player. Now I should be done with. There we go. Dead. Boom. If I just add in some, set after rotation? Active, I'll get back to. Where was I calling this? Oh, usability. Yeah. Skeleton warrior. Well, obviously, that ability gets canceled. Sorry, I just got some error messages and I was looking at them. Alright, let's make our main character an Animu. How about that? Adventure care. The enemies aren't derived from... Yes, they are. Dang it. Dang it! I don't want them to use the same anime stuff, though. Well, I guess I don't have to. Anime... BP anime character. Oh no, his head! What happened? That's not right. Does that look like? No, he looked fine. Ah, I see. Minus 90. Okay. Minus 90. There we go. We don't want a naked boy, do we? What the frick? Ah, appearance. That's why it's down here. Bottoms. Start of pants. What was that? Oh no, guys. What's happening? What the frick? Why am I being flipped all over the place? Uh-oh. Hey, what's up? You're supposed to be a skeleton man. Has anyone noticed any issues with the anime character pack with like root motion not working correctly? Yeah, why are they... What the heck? Oh dear. It does... I'm wondering if the orientation on the root is wrong. So, that needs to be fixed. It may just be me, though. Yep. Anime really does ruin everything, doesn't it? Well, I don't have time to quite... I don't quite have time to fix this thing now. So, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to go back to, normal character. And mannequin. One second. Oh dear. There we go. Why is it... See, okay, what the frick? Get that head out of here. There we go. Negative 90. Negative... No. 90, is it just 90? There we go. Frickin' take two. Look, oh, look at the floaty animus. And we're definitely not gonna have time for like ranged enemies and stuff, probably. I really should. I probably should have done this on a week where I wasn't so busy. You will fear me. I mean, I kind of like it. It's kind of cool. It really was. It literally was in this case. Did that fix it? No. Get back to where you belong. I just want a skeleton boy. There we go. Alright, well. Guess I got some animu to fix. It's weird. That is weird. I was not having that. I don't remember having that issue. What time are we at? 3. I guess we'll probably have to stop in a half hour at most. I might not even go that long. I don't know. We'll see. Let's just get waypoints in. Let's see what props I can use for that. Oh. Looking through my prop list, seeing the stuff that looks like good enough to where it might work as a waypoint, fast travel point sort of thing. It's a lot of emojis, man. Electro Kraken. I guess I'll go with this. This thing right here. Actors. Oh, actually, Waypoint. I know they're called something. I don't know. The Statue of the Seven is what they're called in the game, but we'll call them waypoints or like travel point. Actually, yeah. Nah, waypoint's fine. Just actor. Although as I do that, I'm actually just gonna change it back to an actor. Anyway, so not much point in that. Not actor macros. What the heck are you talking about? What kind of nonsense is that? Please don't crash. I don't have patience for that crash. Okay, there. Root. We will say. Ooh, got it. A spawn point. So when we change locations, which is where we will spawn. Oh, better yet, I should actually make this a gameplay system. Game system. Fast travel. Alright, interact. It's an interactable, of course. Oh dear. Time is short. Waypoint. Alright, I got the spawn. Show the 30 widget. Blueprint. Alright, so when I interact with one, we want to activate the waypoint system. We actually have to create the waypoint system first. So new game system. Actually, it could just be a menu, couldn't it? Doesn't even need to be a whole game system. Can handle everything from the menu. Menu. Oh, no. Because we don't fast travel from there, do we? Menu. Map. I guess. Here's what we'll do, too. Again, long term, not the solution you'd want, but it works for now. Render targets. And by now, I mean this one actually will be in the final one. RT. Yeah. World map, I guess. Render target. "2D. Scene capture 2D, that's what I want. Come on, show me. Oh, orthographic. That's what it's not gonna work. Of course, I got it. I haven't made a world map before. It's gonna be difficult. Okay. Ah, boy. Oi. Also, this is actually making me really want to work on some type of RPG that's, you know, not a parody of something. So I can sell it, you know, and get more creative. Na 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 na. Ta-da. No. Get controller. Where is it? Get widget only controller. Set input mode. Will be interface when we get out. It's going to be back to pawn. Actually, yeah, let's not do that for now. What if there's you can project a render? Oh yeah. Huh. I'm trying to think of a faster way to do this though. Project to screen. Project world to screen. Is there? Can you project from just a camera? Nah. Hmm. I think there's better. Urgh. Bit random there. Survival RPG. What are you trying to say about me there, man? You know, yeah. I'm just gonna make a list of all the points you can travel to instead. Which means I do have to give them names. General data set. Point name. I think this should be good. All right. Get actor class. No. Get actors. Get all actors of class. Waypoints. Then add asset to list. Yep. Can you get the GUIDs of a GUID of an actor or no? Oops, GUID. You can't, can you? All right, whatever. An entry selected. Cast to waypoint. Get spawn point plus. Get actor location. I think that's it. We would need to offset from whatever, you know. In fact, better. Spawn point root. Set actor. Set this will be set relative. The way this is going to work is this will be the reference point for where we can spawn. So get point. Get point. Point Get player pawn. Oh wait. Yeah. Get only player pawn. Set actor location. No. Spawn route, I think is what I called it. Yeah. Let's get world location. This would be better suited to an action, but whatever. Let's get our animations. All right, pause menu time. I drum like monkey. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Characters map. That's the one we want. Which means, wait, as tag, because we want to add a tag with like a full close. Close menu. It's gonna be widget menu full close. Which means when we do it here, event graph, that's going to be a full close. Yee. Let's try it. How come they have no names? Oh, I haven't given them any names. And also, the render target's not showing up. Why the heck? Probably just need to make it a material. Create material. RT world map. Actually, it's gonna be a UI, so. Oh, I know I can do. I get him. Actually, yeah. Let's add one more element to this. 2D render. Some 2D capture. World map capture. Come on, come on. There we goes. There we go. And when the menu spawns in, hang on. Spawn actor from class. We're gonna create that guy. Hang on. Render world map capture. World map capture. Ba-do-ba-doo. Move Oh, I can't. Sweet. I can move a component. I can move a component anywhere. That's epic. Covered. Stop and then move. But only move if we're What was that all about? OBS. What was that? Get actor location. Make vector right. Because we're basically going to get this break. And then... Oh, I guess that doesn't really matter, does it? Or it doesn't matter that much. That one more 10. Because it's going to be orthographic. So... yeah, additive. Get actor rotation. What we're gonna do is, let's see. Rotation is gonna be y negative 90 and everything else is fine. Okay, I guess, no, we want to delete it when we close. Destroy actor. What the frick? Top of rocks. Landscape. Okay. Man, I'm so close to doing this done thing. I just want to get this one thing working, then I'm done. Yeah, that's right. That's what I want. Well, let's pull this off for now. Maybe that screwed something up. I don't think it did, but it could have. See, what is happening? What? I don't get why it's only showing some stuff. Ah, well, there's something. Alright, well, that's what we'll do. Maybe 10 even. Heh. It's not rendering everything, but whatever. Oh, vertical. That's a scroll box. No. Position X, that's what I want. 30. 430. I'm so close to the end, guys. I just don't know why it's not rendering the landscape. Orthographic. Capture on moment. Yeah. Scene color. Oh, ow! It's not capturing the landscape because it's doing it unlit. Probably. That's what I guess. No, that wouldn't make sense. Render scene primitives. Yeah, show landscape. Don't know. Don't know why it's not showing all of the stuff. Don't do foliage, actually. Yeah. That just looks a little weird. Map. It showed foliage anyway. And that's on the wrong layer. There we go. Did I say that? I thought I confirmed it. Did I not? Default option. Did I not plug the button in? I didn't plug the button in. There we go. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Well, we're basically done anyway. I just want to test one more, make sure I can actually travel. For goodness sake. Give it like a minute, and if it's not working after a minute, then screw this. We're just gonna be done. Doesn't look like it's doing anything. I know it hasn't been a minute, but I don't want to wait that long, actually. Alright, well, it's basically working. Oh, man. I'm just going to click this task manager and get out of here. Alright, well, we got enough done. I know it's working. I'll just stop for now. Sorry. Thanks, everyone, for coming to the stream. Again, we're 4 days in, so we got 3 more after this. Boy, oh boy, it's going to be a close call. Remember, 1 second. Remember, something you'll remember in a second, maybe. Mariposa and the Galaxy Man is now available to wishlist on stream. It'll be the first game that's using my Omega game framework for Unreal Engine, and demo will be out hopefully within a week or so. So yeah, links in the description for that. Be sure to check it out. Thanks all for joining the stream, and I will see y'all tomorrow, same time. Bye, guys.